What is Science Plus C? Science Plus C offers Massachusetts high school science teachers a new and exciting opportunity to enhance 3 core Massachusetts science courses, biology, chemistry, and physics, with computer modeling and simulation. The Science Plus C units introduce students to computing and its relevance in science and teach them the skills they need to problem solve by using and modifying computer models. The project is a partnership between the Massachusetts Department of Elementary and Secondary Education and EDC, a leading nonprofit with funding from the National Science Foundation. You can apply to bring these exciting free courses into your own school by clicking Apply Now on our website.
Massachusetts Department of Elementary and Secondary Education is involved with the Science Plus C project because we believe the ability to effectively use and create technology to solve complex problems is the new and essential literacy skills of the 21st century. And this was a foundation for the digital literacy and computer science frameworks for Massachusetts. Therefore, we have to put these essential skills and practices into the standard day for every student. And this is the idea behind the Science Plus C project.
Each of the Science Plus C courses will include up to 10 curriculum units, and each unit has 3 lessons. The first lesson focuses on learning to use the computer model to run experiments. The second lesson reinforces the science concepts by decoding the model, basically looking under the hood to see how it works. The third lesson focuses on making modifications to improve and extend the model, then testing the model to see the impact of the changes made. The Biology Plus C curriculum units cover key topics including ecosystems, photosynthesis, and natural selection. The Chemistry Plus C units focus on core topics including physical nature of matter, chemical reactions and bonding, and reaction rates. The Physics Plus C units include kinematics, cart on a ramp, and simple harmonic motion.
My students have really enjoyed having computer models as part of the science curriculum because they really, they feel like they're doing real science. They're reading about it in the papers and they're really connecting their experience and their knowledge to a real world situation. Also, it is sending a message that computer science is a tool of science that is going to help advance their knowledge, and that it's not just this standalone subject area, that it actually is very important for advancing science information. One thing I'd like other teachers to know about the Science Plus C curriculum is that they do not need to be experts in computer science. They don't need to have any prior background in programming in order to be effective as a teacher with these modules.
How is Science Plus C different from just using simulations? Science Plus C goes beyond using simulations by empowering students to read and modify the code that drives simulations. Working with the code enables students to evaluate the validity of the models and test their own ideas. In this way, Science Plus C puts students in the role of computational scientists. Science Plus C also provides a productive solution for remote learning situations by replacing laboratory experiments in the science classroom with interactive virtual experiments.
So Science Plus C was really easy to integrate into my already existing curriculum. I think the Science Plus C curriculum is perfect for remote learning. The only thing teachers need to be able to do the Science Plus C is to run the NetLogo program on their computers. But as far as students, they just need to be able to have like a Chromebook or iPad or something that can open up a link and the models run online.
What is the need for Science Plus C?
So Science Plus C addresses a number of workforce needs for STEM careers. One of the things it does is it builds the foundational skills and knowledge for computer modeling that'll provide new opportunities for students to develop interests and other skills related for success in STEM careers. The second is that it provides hands-on experiences with the practices that are found in today's scientific workplaces and working with problems, the kinds of problems that are being solved in workplaces today, using large data sets and computer models that are often being used to discover and innovate right at the edge of the human technology frontier.
Wondering how you can get involved? You're invited to apply to bring Science Plus C courses into your classroom or school. Each course is free and includes curriculum units in digital format with teacher guides, student materials, and rich computer models, extensive professional development, and ongoing support. Because the units and computer models are online, Science Plus C can be used for face-to-face, remote, or hybrid learning formats. We're excited to offer this unique opportunity at no cost, thanks to funding from the National Science Foundation. To understand more about students' and teachers' experiences with the courses, we'll ask you to complete unit surveys and other research activities. All participating teachers will receive stipends. If you are interested in bringing Science Plus C into your Massachusetts district, school, or classroom, please fill out an application on our website. And be sure to apply early because limited slots are available. For more information, visit our website at scienceplusc.org.